Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this OVENTE glass electric kettle. So here's the kettle. Closer look. So this is the base. The base you can wrap around, the cord you can wrap around the bottom. So like this. So it's like a wraparound cord. So you can snap it right there, which is nice. And then this is made of like a plastic, and there's this metal thing here. So the bottom is like this is like a stainless steel, which is nice. So this is the actual kettle. It's really cute. So there's the max 1.5 liters, and that's how it sits. You just sit in the counter. It's really cute. So I'm gonna try to boil some water. As you can see here, there is this stop paper. It says we strongly recommend boiling your kettle a few times before use. So that's there, and then there's the instruction. So this kettle comes in different colors: red, fuchsia, purple, orange, and green. I got the white because it's classic color. It's illuminated, so there's, see the instruction here. So this is the parts and features: the wide spout mouth. Let's see how to open this. Oh, there you go. So just click this button and it opens. Full touch handle. 360 rotary base with built-in cord storage. This is how to use it. Refer to figure 1. So I'm gonna fill the kettle with water up to the desired water level, which is I'm gonna do 1 liter, and then put the base on a flat surface. Put the kettle in the base, and then switch the kettle on. The LED will light up to indicate that the kettle is working. After boiling, the kettle switches off automatically. After use, disconnect the kettle from the main power supply. So it's pretty straightforward. Descaling your kettle. Let's see here. Residue, odor, and spotting found inside your kettle are most likely caused by lime scale, which is natural deposit of calcium. Okay, it depends on the water. So let's see. This is the solution that you need to do to remove that scaling in your kettle. And then here's the maintenance. So I'm gonna get some water now, and let's try to boil it and see how fast it boils. The kettle, I'm about to plug it. So I just plug the kettle in, and we're gonna close it, and let's see where the power button is. Let's see. There you go. There's the power button. Alexa, set a timer. A counter.
Timer for how long?
Let's see, is this working?
1 minute, starting now.
So as you can see, it's already boiling. It's already bubbling. The water is bubbling, but it's really quiet, so you really don't know whether it's working or not. But as you can see, there's like, it's hard to see. Let me remove the light here. But as you can see, there's bubbles. So I'm touching this kettle right now. It's a little bit warm. It's kind of, yeah, it's warm now. It's about to boil. So now you can hear the electric kettle humming a little bit. It's just gonna turn off. It says it's gonna turn off when it's completely done boiling, so I'm just waiting for that period. So as you can see now, it's finally boiling. I'm just waiting for it to stop. It took about 2 to 3 minutes for it to boil. Let's see if it's gonna stop. It says it's going to stop once it's boiled completely. It's hard to see, but let me turn this off. Let's see. See, as you can see, it's boiling. Oh boy! Oh no! There you go. It just turned up. It turned off by itself, so it has an automatic shut. So yes, that is our video for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.